In this video, I will show you step by step how you can use the Magic Eraser tool on your iPhone without Apple Intelligence. So first thing what we need to do is we need to download and install Google Photos if you don't have this already. And then you want to open up Google Photos and choose a photo which you want to erase something on. So for me, I will just choose this photo right here and we're going to try and erase this bird. So what we need to do is we need to click on Edit. Once we click on Edit, you want to go to the bottom right here, scroll over and then select Tools. And here is where you'll now see an option for Magic Eraser. Click on this, that will then obviously bring up the eraser. And then what we can do is we can draw down to the best of our ability around this bird's outline. And then once we go ahead and draw around this, it will then select the bird and then try and remove it as best as possible. As you can see right here, it's done a pretty good job. So that's one way that you can use a Magic Eraser on your iPhone without Apple Intelligence.